Problem that led us was the city of New York not acknowledging the fact that human beings do perform this work and thus are entitled to certain protections. My name is Gail R. Williams. I have total city service of close to 38 years. I am a police emergency dispatcher for the New York City Police Department. We stand between the public and the public service in emergency conditions. My workforce is required to put their lives on the line and to come through natural and unnatural emergencies. Our workforce was more than 90% female and women of color. In 2013, it had reached an ultimate position where we really felt disadvantaged and disenfranchised and forced to work. More than being just mandatory workers, we're obligatory workers. We wanted to ensure that we were receiving the same access to the rights, our ability to use sick time when needed, and the ability to use the federal protections of the Family Medical Leave Act. Our union slow-walked us, diverted us. A group of us finally coalesced together. We wound up with 8 solid defendants to bring our issues forth and to have them heard. We had been interviewing and going to various law firms, and their primary focus was on our ability to pay. Sam, however, had a different approach. He was able to give us some clarity as to where we needed to go in order to achieve some success. We were David going against tremendous Goliath. What really stood out to me was our ability to get into federal court. We never expected that we would be heard. I know how much Sam gave of himself in the success of this litigation. His team asked probing questions, and they really made us feel as though we were important clients and our issues were going to get attended to. He kept in contact, keeping us up to date. I have a stack of every briefing that was ever filed. We were very pleased to be able to sit at that level and to have someone actually offer solutions. And we're happy to know that Sam is still in our corner. The perfect client for Sam is anyone that feels overwhelmed and as though their issue in labor not being heard. Whatever their issue is that is insurmountable. He is the perfect man to listen to your problem